Welcome viewers, Dr. JWA here, but traffic stop begins with one question. Why are you detaining me? The deputy says his radar recorded 63 miles per hour in a 40 zone and 73 earlier, but instead of producing a license, insurance and registration, the driver challenges the stop, asks to see the radar and demands a supervisor. Within minutes, something that could have ended with a traffic citation becomes a confrontation over who actually understands the law. Viewers, it's bad, really bad. This is the world of lost, AWOL women.
Can I see the radar, please?
No, ma'am, you're not entitled to see my radar.
You're incriminating me on something, and you're saying that I'm not allowed to see.
Colonel, I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
I would like to see your supervisor.
227, can you send me a supervisor? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
When your supervisor comes, sir.
You also don't have a seatbelt on.
What is your badge number, sir?
1721. It's my permanent ID number.
Okay, your name?
Deputy McKenzie. It's right here, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm reaching in my car.
Go ahead. Do you have the registered owner's information? Ten-4, thank you.
Badge number again, please.
1721. 227. She's refusing to provide driver's license, insurance, and registration or roll her window down. Is there a reason why you sat at that green light for several seconds? Just sitting there at the green light?
No, not really.
Didn't want to make your turn? With a green arrow, you didn't want to make your turn?
What was the traffic violation?
I already
Speeding.
explained to you, ma'am. You were doing 63 in a 40-mile-an-hour construction zone.
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail. It's
And
that
you're
simple.
going to break my window and vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
you're going to go to jail
For what?
for not cooperating.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So
Sir,
you can
I'm
either just
traveling on my way home.
you can either go along with it.
Yeah, it's
Making
locked.
this a lot more difficult than it has to be.
Sir, are you the supervisor?
Yes, I am.
I would like to see the captain.
Okay, well, the captain doesn't work right now, so they're on the best you're going to get.
Well, I think I would like to see the captain.
Good.
So I'm asking you one more time: are you going to cooperate, or are they going to have to take you to jail?
Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're not cooperating. It's just that simple.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, but you're refusing to provide all the documentation that you're supposed to provide.
I'm traveling
Okay.
on my way home.
Okay, but the United States Supreme Court says that we can have you step out of the vehicle during any traffic violation, during any investigation. So we're prepared to spend the night in jail. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail?
Jail.
Huh?
Based on
Okay, break the window and take her out. That's it.
Hey, that glass went my eye! Hey!
Get out of the vehicle!
Get out of the vehicle!
Are you fucking Freemasons? Hey!
This is what happens when females let their self-opinionated authority run away with
Cut
them.
my face and you broke my glasses!
Viewers, this is what you'd be dealing with as a man if you were in a relationship with this person.
Can we have EMS come check
They
her eyes
can't
out?
put it over the police.
You need to send an ambulance.
I just requested it.
Glass is in my eye.
Yep. Just sit you up. On the glass, just move her over to.
Watch my glasses, sir.
You gonna stay here and be nice?
Sir, my glasses, and you...
Right there.
They're right behind you.
Okay. There's glass in
Yep.
my eye.
We've got an ambulance coming.
And there is no crime.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Ah.
You will be getting sued.
Anyways, she want to get out. Baton her window. She's got some glass in her face. Just want to make sure she's good to go before we take her up to jail.
Well, I mean, we can't say she's got glass in her eye.
Right. Well, like, you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to be following y'all to the hospital or whatever.
And may I have my phone, please?
Are you wanting to go to the hospital?
I would like to. So that the eye can be checked out. May I have my phone, please?
Not right now. It'll go with you when you go.
No, I would like my phone.
That's
I
not
have a
how it
right to
works.
contact.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
Okay.
No, it's, look, this is how you ended yourself in handcuffs.
You don't tell me how to cop.
Sir, you don't know how to cop. Where is my phone?
Where you last left it.
May I have the phone?
No.
No, you can
Yes,
wait.
sir. I have to call my commander.
That's
Yeah,
not
your
what
commander's
you
going to
call
find
me.
out, all right.
I would like my phone to call my commander.
No.
Who's your commander? I might know
Well,
him.
my
Here's the deal.
phone.
You're either going to get into the ambulance or you're going to jail.
Can you stop hollering, please, for just a second? Listen to me.
I would like my phone.
You are under arrest, which means all of your property goes with them. For now, you're under our medical care. You come with us. Your property is going with them, and then you have to be booked into jail and go through the process.
Ma'am, can I have my phone?
You cannot have your phone because it is their
I have a
property.
right to contact.
Not when you are under arrest. You can
I have a
contact
right
them
to contact
when you
even
get-
during arrest, ma'am.
When you get to the jail,
Great.
when you get to the jail, you can
I would like
contact-
a phone.
for now.
We're going to count this money in front of you so you can be sure that we're not taking any of it. I don't want your money. I don't need
Oh,
it.
sir, you've already violated search
Just stop.
because you're
just stop.
searching and seizure without any cause.
3, 45,
You're actually sheriffs.
47, 49, 51, 53.
Viewers, the driver appears convinced that questioning the evidence gives her grounds to resist the officer's instructions. The officers take the opposite position. The traffic stop itself gives them authority to demand documentation and eventually order her from the vehicle, as we saw. The disagreement becomes dangerous because neither side retreats. The supervisor explicitly warned her that continued refusal will result in officers breaking the window, removing her and taking her to jail. She continues to challenge their authority, as we saw. The order is given. Break the window and take her out. Now, the dispute has consequences. She complains of glass in her eye, alleges unlawful detention, and threatens legal action. Officers arrange medical attention while continuing the arrest process. The critical analysis requires separating what the footage shows from what it proves legally. Here, the officers are making numerous legal claims about ordering someone from a vehicle, inventory, and a towed vehicle. access to a phone after arrest, and implied consent testing. Their statements are evidence of what the officers believed or asserted, and this does not independently establish that every legal claim was correct.
Thank you. We got it.
Oh, more cash.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's going straight from pocket into the plastic bag.
What is up with the exorbitant amount of cash?
May I have my phone, please?
What do you tell you?
I need to call my commander and gain representation.
You know, you think
You'll find out when you're at the jail.
You'll be able to follow instructions and
I
understand
think
what
you're
we're telling
doing
you.
unconstitutional things.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know how to police. You're not a sheriff.
Okay, dentist.
Do you have
Stick
any
to
health,
dentistry.
do you have any health problems?
No.
Do you take any
She has
medications?
an
No.
inhaler in her bag. Is that something you use?
Rare.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
What the hell is that?
What is that?
What is this?
That is probably an instrument.
Yeah, Matt, you can see that?
No needles on you?
No, ma'am. May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
You can make contact when
I
you're at
got
the
you.
jail.
Yep, I got you.
If you want to just go to jail and get checked out by
You
medical
can see
there
the
and make your phone
stubbornness
call,
of this
then you can do
woman.
that.
That'd be the quickest way for you to get your phone.
Mackenzie, can you call my commander
Is that
on my
that silver
behalf?
thing? Was that silver thing? Here, hold on. I get the other thing.
Is
I
there
mean,
a
I
reason
can.
why
I can
you
call
can't
command.
Yeah, you got gloves?
What are those?
Check that out.
Oh, that's makeup.
That's makeup.
Okay.
They're both makeup.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Right? Makeup?
Yes, sir.
The only number I remember over there is the law enforcement desk.
I only
you-
know staff duty at Devonshire. That's it.
Can you contact the command post and contact my commander, please? Can you contact the command post and
The jail
contact
staff
my
will
commander,
take care of that
please?
for you.
Sir, you need to do it now.
No, I don't. Perfect. Michelle, I'm going to request that you submit to a lawful test of urine for the purposes of determining the presence of chemical or controlled substances. Will you take the test?
No.
No. Okay. If you refuse to take the test that I've requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privileges have been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test that I have requested of you, and your driving privileges have been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, blood, or urine, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test that I'm requesting from you is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse to submit to the urine test?
Am I blocked from driving because I don't take a urine test?
Your license will be suspended for a period of 12 months.
If it was previously suspended.
No. It's 18 months if it was previously suspended. You can read it. It's right there.
Well, without representation, I don't know how to answer this.
It's real. So here's the thing. When you get issued a driver's license,
Right.
you have to sign for it. It's called implied consent. And when you sign that, it basically says, yes, I agree to supply blood, breath, or urine as a part of lawful investigation, which is what this is. So,
It's unlawful investigation, but go ahead.
okay. So do you refuse to take the test or not?
I don't understand the instructions.
Okay. I'm requesting that you take a urine test. We have these lovely little things
What
here.
I'm asking you specifically is by refusing this, I've actually taken 2 of these just last week,
Okay.
okay, on base. Refusing with you to do this,
Correct.
does that mean I can't drive a car?
Yeah, your license will be suspended. Now that this is the first time, right, you'll get a 10-day, what do you call it?
And then where is this tested?
FDLE, Florida Department of Law Enforcement, actually gets shipped out.
So it leaves everybody's hands and then goes...
Yeah, it gets taped up, it goes into a refrigerator in our evidence, then they get it out and it gets shipped to
I
FDLE.
really trust that with what's happened tonight so far. And not doing this means I can't drive a car.
Correct. You're driving, like I said, your driving privileges will be suspended.
Even though it's never been happened before?
And it says, look, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal. 18 months if it has been suspended previously. So this is your first time, and it'll be suspended for 1 year.
Viewers, that's what makes this encounter more interesting than another confrontation with police. The driver believes that knowing her rights protects her from complying with an unlawful exercise of authority. The officers believe she's misunderstanding those rights while obstructing a lawful traffic investigation. And between those two positions, the consequences escalate from a speeding allegation to a shattered window, handcuffs, medical attention, arrest, and eventually a dispute over chemical testing. So viewers, the larger question is uncomfortable. Knowing your rights matters, but what happens when your entire strategy depends on being right about what those rights actually are? Because this didn't have to go the way that it did. And that's the world that's bad. It's really bad. The world of lost AWOL women.